Let's look at this equation here. This is equation number 1. This is VF equals VI plus AT. Now there might be different situations you may need to rearrange for. If you're looking for your final velocity and you have your VI, A, and T, you won't need to rearrange anything. You'll put your numbers in and solve for VF. However, at different times, you may need to rearrange in different ways. So let's say I need to find VI. So if I'm going to find VI, I'm going to start and say that VF equals VI plus AT. And if I'm looking for VI, that means I have a number here and numbers here. And if I multiply two numbers, they stay as a number. So they would operate as one thing. If I'm solving for VI, I'll take and I'll subtract AT from both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. It's like a seesaw. It'll balance it out. Well, if I take VI plus AT and then take that away, I cancel that out, and I'm left with VF minus AT equals VI. In another situation, I may need to solve for A. Find A. Again, I'll start with this equation, VF equals VI plus AT, and I need to get A by itself. Well, if I need to get A by itself, I'll need to do two different things. The first thing I'll need to do is to subtract VI from both sides. The reason I take this away first before I divide is that there's no T with it. So I can't divide the whole side by T because there's no T to get rid of here. So I'll move it over first. So this will cancel out, and I'll have VF minus VI equals AT. Once I have that, and I'm trying to get the A by itself, then I can divide by T. I'll divide this whole side over here by T. It cancels out on this side, leaving me with just A. So I'll have VF minus VI. I'll take that whole thing divided by T equals A. The last thing you might need to find here is your T, and that starts out very, very similarly. Find T. Again, you start with VF equals VI plus AT. And again, you'll need to do some dividing, but you can't divide until you bring anything over that doesn't have an A with it. And so you'll start the same. You'll subtract by VI, and you'll have VF minus VI equals AT. And this time you're solving for T, so you'll divide by A. You're always doing the opposite of what's already happening. So I have A times T. The opposite of that is to divide by it. And in doing that, it cancels out on this side, and it brings it over here, leaving us with VF minus VI divided by A equals T.